Thank you to the Portuguese customer for choosing to purchase our EA500C4 LED screen. This 500 by 500 mm rental LED wall not only showcases advanced technology and efficient design, but also provides reliable solutions for various application scenarios. EA500C4 LED display is equipped with two quick locking devices on both sides, which significantly improves installation speed and screen flatness. The quick locking device not only simplifies the assembly process, but also ensures the tight connection of each LED module, allowing the overall screen to remain flat and stable. The bottom of the cabinet is designed with anti-collision feet specifically to protect the edges of the LED modules. This design effectively reduces the risk of damage to LED modules during transportation, installation, and disassembly, extending the service life and reliability of the display screen. EA500C4 rental LED wall not only focuses on functionality and durability, but also has been carefully designed for aesthetics, making it suitable for various events and venues, including exhibitions, stage performances, conferences, and other indoor and outdoor activities.